Here it is. When margin requirements increase from 8% to 12%, maximum theoretical leverage drops from 12.5 to 8.3. Just three dominant traders now influence more than 29% of total commercial exposure in COMEX futures. Let's get into this. That is a level of concentration that has historically appeared less than 11 times in the past 20 years. Now, look at what they're doing. Over the past 9 trading sessions, net positioning among the largest participants shifted by over 48,000 futures contracts. That represented control of approximately, listen to this, 240 million ounces of silver. Do you want to know what 240 million ounces of silver really means? That is equal to nearly 24% of annual global mine supply, concentrated into a few people's hands. Stay with me until the end of this video because I want to show you how this is changing our price of silver and how you can know when to walk away with some cash in your pocket. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. First, I'm going to show you how just 3 players can redirect price momentum across a market with over $600 billion in annual trading volume. Next, I'll break down how leverage amplifies their influence far beyond their capital size. And stick with me all the way to the end of this video because I want to explain to you in simple terms how their movements can signal where silver is headed before price reacts. This level of concentration shift, it historically has coincided with silver price moving beyond 18% within a 30-day window. And almost nobody is noticing what is quietly unfolding beneath the surface. This type of aggressive repositioning, it doesn't normally occur during stable price conditions. It does not, because institutions only commit capital at this scale when volatility expectations exceed 25% annual movement thresholds. That's what they typically wait for. Silver's vulnerability begins with its structure. That's what we really have to understand. The total open interest in COMEX silver currently sits near 152,000 contracts. That's representing control over 760 million ounces, nearly 76% of all the silver, 76% of annual global mine production, which averages 1 billion ounces per year. What makes this structure fragile, and this is what you really need to understand as a silver stacker, what makes this fragile is that it only takes a repositioning of 10,000 contracts. That's it, 6.5% of open interest. It just takes that to shift directional momentum. Stay with me here because this is one of the most important mechanics you will ever understand if your goal is to recognize the early signals that precede major silver price moves and get yourself in position before the rest of the crowd is reacting to price where you're actually knowing what's happening. This influence is magnified really by leverage. Each COMEX contract controls 5,000 ounces, meaning a trader can influence $115,000 worth of silver exposure with margin capital often below 12 grand. And that creates leverage ratios that exceed 9 to 1. When just 3 institutional players reposition 20,000 contracts, they're effectively altering exposure equivalent to 100 million ounces. That's what they're doing. That's nearly, when you do that math, that's nearly 10% of annual mine supply without even moving a single physical actual piece of silver. This is all paper. Now, pay very close attention to this point because understanding leverage is essential if you want to know how major players move price first and how informed silver stackers can align themselves to benefit instead of reacting too late. What makes the current shift especially critical is timing. Over the past 30 days, silver trading volume has averaged more than 92,000 contracts per day. And that represents a turnover of 460 million ounces every day, daily. That's nearly 46% of the annual global production, changing hands every 24 hours in paper. We're talking about paper. Now, this velocity means price can move rapidly when liquidity shifts. Listen to this part. Listen really carefully because liquidity, not supply, that's often the driver, the real true driver of silver price. That's what gets it accelerated. And recognizing liquidity changes early can be the difference between capturing gains in this market and being caught on the wrong side, reacting to price rather than catching that gain. Now, the key dynamic unfolding now is position imbalance. When dominant players increase short exposure into rising prices, they create artificial resistance zones. And when they reduce shorts, resistance disappears quickly. We've seen this. Historically, when concentrated shorts decline by more than 15% over a 60-day period, silver prices have risen an average of 22% in the following 90 days. That's one of the patterns of silver. I want you to focus closely on this insight. These positioning changes, they often signal where price is going before technical indicators or news headlines even confirm the move. And that gives observant stackers, like you and I, a decisive advantage. Silver's relatively small market size amplifies this. That's really key to the price of silver. The total above ground investable silver supply is estimated really to be approximately 2.8 billion ounces, and that's valued at around 64 billion presently. Now, when you're looking at global equity markets that exceed 110 trillion, silver is just a tiny little fraction. That's why it's such a small and volatile market, because it's so sensitive, it's so small. Now, stay with me because I'm going to explain why this matters. When even a small percentage of institutional capital reallocates into or out of silver, that's why we're always looking at the rates. Money goes where it's treated best. And when anything moves out of silver, we really see that in our spot price. It could absolutely produce these disproportionate price changes that seem like they come out of nowhere. But as I'm explaining in this video, it's not coming from out of nowhere. And lately, algorithmic trading, it further accelerates these moves. That's how these markets are moving today. We're dealing with AI. Listen to this. Approximately 73% of futures market volume is now driven by algorithmic execution systems. That's computer generated. There's no human doing this. This is AI. And they respond instantly to positioning changes. They respond to volatility triggers, to liquidity imbalances. When dominant traders adjust positions, algorithms actually amplify the move. And that often triggers cascading reactions that push the price far beyond initial levels. This next point is absolutely critical for silver stackers to understand, because algorithmic amplification, it explains why silver often moves suddenly rather than gradually. And recognizing these inflection points that are quite new to this market, it really helps us as stackers to act before momentum fully develops. You also have to include the psychology of these levels in silver, because often it's an emotional move that's happening, especially when power is concentrated into a small amount of hands. The participation that you and I put into this metal as silver stackers, it's nothing compared to these few people that could really move the market. Now, listen to this closely, because understanding this behavioral lag, it can help you and I as stackers to avoid the emotional decision making that many make, not just a fear of missing out crowd. I'm talking about long-term stackers. It's really the most overlooked factor, the psychology that goes on. And it's really the timing asymmetry that we have to understand. Institutional players accumulate or distribute positions over periods that average 17 to 40 trading days, while retail investors, like you and I, we typically react within 3 to 5 days of any visible spot price. That's when we typically move. And this delay creates a window where the price direction has effectively been determined before most people really recognize that that shift in spot price has happened. The train has already left the building when that happens. And this is a moment that you and I need to understand most clearly, because recognizing that the positioning has changed really gives us the upper hand. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring the channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles, 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next one on that list. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.